Okay, I am doing my Birdhouse soaps. So let's, okay, so I'm working quick because this fragrance is new to me, but notes say that it accelerates slightly, so I have not stick blended it. I just mix it in by hand. So I'm going to pour this base. I have light yellow and light blue to go with the whole color theme. And I'm going to hanger swirl those, and then I'm going to put my embeds in. And hopefully it will all be super cute. Okay, let's hanger swirl this. And so I have my birdhouse. That's the end piece. It's not so pretty looking, but it'll get cut off. I'm just gonna drop that in, and then I have my birds. So I probably should have attached the bird to the birdhouse before I put it in, but I didn't. Let's see. Yeah. Not on the birdhouse, but close enough. Looks like he's maybe landing. There's very little swirl showing up. Maybe it will show up in other ones. When I put that base on, it was not, I didn't get it centered on this piece. And when I realized that, I could not pull it off. It was already stuck on. Just, you know, one of those little things that annoy me. That piece was better. That, like, look, now you're getting more swirls in those. I don't know if you can see them. They're very faint, and it always looks washed out on my camera to me. But they are there. And I do like the light swirls. I almost wish I had made them a little bit darker. I just didn't want to overpower the embeds, so I tried to make them lighter than the embeds, but They don't stand out quite as much as I was hoping. That's okay. My flowers. So this, in theory, is my last spring soap. I do not need any more spring soaps. So I am not going to make any more, no matter what I say. Any soaps that I make here on out should be summer themed. And the flowers. I know. I tell myself, this is it. I don't even know when this video will air, so it might completely air before something else. But in theory, I don't need to make any more soaps. This should be plenty. And I've actually already started planning the summer designs and what I want to do, because summer is my favorite time of year. It's my favorite soaps to make out of every single season. I love to make summer ones. So got some stuff planned. But there you have it. My birdhouse and birds.